Welcome. What you are looking at is not just another online course series. Built from scratch by Codersarts Labs is collection of 25 real AI and deep learning projects built end to end from zero. No black boxes, no shortcut, just pure hands-on engineering. Let's walk through what is inside. So, why most AI courses fail you? So here is the honest truth. Most AI courses gives you three things. Theory without practice, copy paste code you do not actually understand, and try examples that fall apart the moment you step outside the tutorial. You finish a course, you feel confident, and then you try to build something real, nothing works. The gap is exactly what built from scratch is designed to close. The series is organized into five core areas of modern AI: language models, vision and multimodal, AI agents and RAG, audio, OCR, and specialized system, and deep architectures and training. 5 projects in each area, 25 total. Every single one built completely from scratch, and at the bottom you can see what that means in numbers: 25 projects, 3 skills, and 5 topic area, 100% built from scratch. So now let's see group 1, language model projects. We start with language model, the foundation of modern AI. We will build a full large language model from scratch at advanced level. For those just starting out, there is a beginner friendly LLM built using character level GPT. You will also build a Python code generator, a complete NLP pipelines in PyTorch, and dive into LLM quantization, int 8, int 4, GPTQ, and AWK, the techniques that makes large language model fast and deployable. Group 2, visions and multimodal. Group 2 covers vision and multimodal AI. You start by training a CNN from scratch and learning how to explain what it sees. Then you build CLIP, the architecture behind modern image text understanding. You will implement a full vision language model, a CLIP encoder paired with LLVA style multimodal LLM. Then YOLO object detection in pure PyTorch, and finally a diffusion model from scratch, the math and code behind a stable diffusion. Group 3, AI agent and RAG. Group 3 is where things get agentic. You will build your own AI agent framework, a transparent, debuggable alternative to LangChain. Then a full cursor-style AI coding assistance from scratch, a production-grade RAG pipeline, no black box wrappers, no black box wrapper, a vector database built entirely from first principle, and RLHF with DPO, the training techniques behind ChatGPT implemented by you. Group 4 covers a specialized but essential AI system like speech recognition, loading WAV files, loading WAV audio, building the model, integrating OpenAI TTS, OCR from raw grayscale images to a working text recognition tools, a Netflix and YouTube style recommendation system, time series forecasting using Transformer, Informer, and beyond, and Graph Neural Network, GCN, Graph, Sage, and GAT, all from scratch in PyTorch. The final group is for those who want to go deeper into architectures and training. GAN, from vanilla to GCGAN, WGAN, GP, and Style GAN. Flash attention, the IO-aware algorithm powering modern LLM, implementing in PyTorch and Triton. The Mamba, the linear time alternative to transformers. Mixture of expert, the architecture behind Mixtral and GPT-4. And distributed training across multiple GPUs using DDP, FSDP, and Zero. So now who is this for? If you are a beginner, you do not need any prior ML experience. 4 projects are specifically designed to take you from zero to building real AI system step by step. If you are a intermediate level, you know Pythons and basic ML, then 7 projects will take you through full production quality pipeline. And if you are advanced, ready to implement cutting edge resource architecture, 14 projects are waiting for you. Whatever your level, there is a project that meets you exactly where you are at. So, stop watching other people build AI, start building it yourself. All 25 projects are available now at labs.codersarts.com. Link is in the description, please check it out. So, build from scratch by Codersarts Lab.